What are miracles according to Kabbalah? If people that are rejected from one another, that are opposed to each other, that hate one another, that are really distant from each other, above it, even though that this is how they feel, even though that they don't treat each other nicely, they nonetheless start rising above the hate, above the rejection, and they start connecting between them. Like it says, that love covers all crimes. They're actually fighting their ego, and then they bring the light. They start to feel that precisely in that darkness that they previously felt in their life, in the relations between them, now they feel that they're drawing light into it. And where's my particular miracle then? That's the miracle, that you start feeling that your life is beginning to shine. So if I'll be good and nice towards others, then I'll feel good? That too, of course. And that's my miracle? Yes, it is. Now, why is it that when we connect, miracles happen? Because by it, you become like the upper light, that is complete bestowal, that is the light of love. And if you perform these kinds of actions that are close to it, it comes closer to you. But what I'm expecting is for my life to work out, at work, in my family. This is the miracle that I'm waiting for. You'll see how everything will work out. So again, what do I need to do in order to merit a miracle in my personal life? You can't do it in a single family and immediately see good results. But if we decide that enough already with these wars, with this state in which we hate each other, and let's try and be good to each other, then we'll immediately feel how the world is changing, how it's starting to shine. Who makes this miracle? The light that we exist in, but that we feel as darkness, because this is how we are. We're the opposite of the light. The light is love, bestowal, connection. The light is a light of mutual joy and happiness. We don't have that. If above the rejection that exists in us instinctively, we will start connecting, we will start treating each other in a good, nice, and favorable way, then gradually we will feel how it brings us light, happiness, confidence, plenty and abundance.